Hi, my name is Aimee O, and I want to show you guys how I make one of my favorite health in a glass smoothies. This is what I would like to call a rich in antioxidants beauty smoothie. And it's going to pretty much start with these ingredients, and I'm going to let you know why I use each one. Like I said, it's customizable. You can either add on or not. It's whatever. This is just what works for me. And also because it's also good to help you, use the bathroom. So you're gonna start with your bananas as your base, and we're gonna put that in there. One of my favorite proteins to use would be the vegan protein, vanilla flavored by Body Complete. We're gonna do 1 scoop of that. And that will be 1 full scoop too. And next you're gonna have a tablespoon of almond butter. Next is gonna be your avocado. We're gonna dump that in here. And next, I'm gonna add blueberries, which is another fave of mine. Just a small handful, it doesn't have to be too many. A full cup of almond milk. And a pinch of cinnamon powder. Last but not least, to complete the shake, you're gonna add just a small handful of spinach. It doesn't have to be a whole lot, but this is what helps you get to the bathroom. Now, as I stated, it's a customizable shake and it's a beauty shake. So in my shake, you can pretty much add whatever it is that you like. I like to add flax seeds, which is really high in omega. Other people have been known to add other things, which are pretty much whatever you feel is good for, like collagen or anything like that. And then we blend. So this is the end result. And as you can see, the texture is very rich and it's also rich in antioxidants, so it works. I like that it's thick and it gives me like a little, like an ice cream type of feel. Cheers.